cut a melon and put salt. Then put it in the kitchen and see what happens. Melon is a fruit that brings great benefits to our body, with vitamin C contributing the most. It is used in the kitchen and is also used in natural medicine to create a lot of remedies. So in this video we will tell you what are the benefits of the melon with salt, in addition to a lot of uses that you can give the melon. But the benefits of melon do not only reach organic issues, but in some cultures are attributed powers to move away the negative energies and at the same time attract well-being and prosperity. But if we combine melon with salt, another precious and powerful element of nature, we can get a disinfectant that eliminates germs, bacteria and viruses that abound in the environment. Try it in the kitchen, to eliminate germs, bacteria and others. 1. Take a bowl and mash a melon. 2. Pour plenty of salt. 3. Pour some water. 4. Take a rag, moisten and clean the kitchen. 5. You can also scrub the kitchen floor with this mix. The following is an important list of the different uses you can give melon or melon combined with salt. 1. The aroma of the melon goes back to warm climates, spring and summer. It is a refreshing and penetrating fragrance that never goes unnoticed. Take a melon, cut it into several pieces and place in several containers distributed in the rooms of your house. It will serve to aromatize and refresh your home. 2. Take a melon, cut into several slices and place in a center of table sprinkled with a little salt. This will eliminate the negativity and bad energies that circulate around your house. 3. Another trick to attract well-being and prosperity is to place in a ceramic bowl a flour made with rice and supporting on them pieces of melon. Place this container on the refrigerator. Rice is also known as an amulet to attract abundance.